name is Lindsay. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you're new here, then welcome. And I was getting ready to update some of my current little DIYs from Dollar Tree, and I thought to myself, wait, I can't change these without showing them to my subscribers. Today I'm showing you 3 simple home decorating ideas, and if you want to see how I change them up for the holidays, then make sure to subscribe. And also, I keep forgetting, you guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's an easier way that I can talk with you all back and forth. We should be connected on IG, okay? And of course, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, really helps to keep this video alive, and it'll help me to keep making more. So like it if you want to see some more. So let's get into these 3 simple decorating ideas. Here's a simple yet inexpensive way to add to your gallery wall. Pick up an 11 by 14 frame from the Dollar Tree. I typed up a saying I found online into Microsoft Word. Then I added a mat to the frame. This instantly elevates the look of the inexpensive dollar frame. My pro tips are to use a thicker piece of paper when printing if you can. Also, if you choose a quote or a statement like I did, consider using 2 or 3 different fonts instead of just one. I will link the mats down below. You can pick them up at Amazon or at any art store. They can be a little pricey considering the frame was $1, but it's totally worth it. You can interchange them into different frames for years to come. By adding sand and pillar candles to these cylinder vases, you can achieve an inexpensive yet elegant look. I think this goes with so many different types of decor, from farmhouse to nautical, even glam. Wouldn't this look so good next to a big oversized bathtub or in addition to a centerpiece? These vases are also so great to have around because they can be changed out with seasons as you please. Here's a simple little DIY for the wall decals from Dollar Tree. In this case, I wanted something motivational for my desk. It was right around the time I got back into my YouTube channel, and I needed something to remind me to keep going and to chase my dreams and goals. I love how it looks next to my Pelia plant. I just stuck the decal on a piece of poster board from Dollar Tree, and obviously this is super simple. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe so you can keep up with me and all my DIYs. I will see you on the next one, guys.